Hey everybody, just wanted to introduce you to your seating chart. This is where you'll be sitting for the next 2 weeks. It just makes it so much easier taking attendance. You always have a partner you can kind of collaborate with, get ideas, and discuss things with. So this will be your seating chart until I get back from Scotland. Okay. Just going to orient you here a little bit. This is my front row people, and front row is closest to the whiteboards. Okay. And then my back row people. And this column, these guys are the ones that are closest to the door when you're exiting and leaving. So Tyra, your seat is right by the light switch. Okay? And then Orlando and Trenton, all three of you guys are against the wall. Just kind of orient you there a little bit. So as we go from Tyra and then over to Blake, and then you hit Christian over. Okay, and then all of these guys, okay, this space, right? I should say these guys, but this space, this is the lab. Okay, so you got the lab over here, the back row, the front row, and then this individual, Tyra, you're the one that's by the light switch. Okay. All right, I hope that helps you. So you should already have your Chromebooks getting ready to start this first assignment and move to your new spots, and then we should be good to go. All right, you guys, good luck on the assignment.